Hi. I have a lot to say right now, and I don't have that much memory on my camera, so we're gonna make this quick, like 2 minutes quick. I just got back from work. It's 9:02. Still in my work clothes. My hair's kind of gross, but yeah. Today was kind of weird. I worked with I think it was my first time working with one of the baristas that has been working there for 16 years. And she came into work and was like, she didn't look good. I thought she was hungover, but apparently she read a text right before she came in, and one of her coworkers at her other job was shot. And she was really close with this guy. But then I went on my lunch break, and another one of my coworkers bought me a candy apple, which was really nice. So thank you for that. Then she was saying that she likes to give nice people nice things when she's feeling down. And she's just kept saying that one of her family members after another just kept passing away, and then she had a miscarriage, and then she just was not feeling well. And I realized about myself that I do not handle death very well. I don't know how to react for people. I don't know how they want me to react, because I always just go off of how someone wants me to react, like, oh my gosh, like, I just stay really silent, and I feel really bad about it, and I just want to hug them, but because I kind of just, like, met them, I just don't know how to handle it. I want to say, can I hug you? They might feel uncomfortable, they might just start crying on me. I don't know what they expect of me. So, I just wanted to say, or get someone's opinion, like, what do you do? Like, obviously, you apologize, you offer them someone to talk to, yourself, and anything you can do for them to make it easier, but I don't know what to do. I'm really sorry. Like, I wanted to start crying because that's just so hard, losing someone so close to you. Wow, my hair is disgusting. Hi. It's like, what, almost 10:30, and I'm hanging out with Deja today. It's Thursday, yeah. I have like a minute till I have to leave, and I think she's texting me right now, making sure I'm awake and on my way, because last time I hung out, or I was supposed to hang out, I woke up at the time we were supposed to meet, which was at 10 o'clock, so I'm awake. I'm alive. I cleaned the guinea pig cage. Oops. Cleaned the guinea pig cage, cleaned the cat litter box, and I wanted to take my laundry to my parents' house, but I didn't get up early enough to go drop it off, so I might just have to do that later and do my taxes later. Say hi.
Hello. What's up?
Look at us. What'd you get?
A bento box. So it's like chicken teriyaki and California roll, and I'm so excited. And what did you get?
I think this is the Boston, and then this is.
It has like sounds like clam chowder.
Oh gosh, like I hate you.
ba 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 You're late. Ba, 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 ba.
Get away from me!
Sebastian.
It is 4:42 now. I just finished up at Arte with Riley's mom. It was super fun. It turns out they were actually open at 5 o'clock, but it was only 2 o'clock when we got there. And Riley's mom actually knew someone that was working there, and she let us stay and paint early, 3 hours early, and we finished at 4. So yeah, what else? I didn't really vlog much today, because I just wanted to like hang out with my friends and Riley's mom. So, where did I stop? I went to sushi with Deja, and then we went to TJ Maxx to get her cousin and one of her friends gifts. And oh my gosh, I haven't been to TJ Maxx in so long. They have these cute little, what are they called? Japanese made bowls. I ended up finding a iced tea there that they were selling for only $3, and I picked that up since it was so cheap, and I've been craving iced tea. And then after that we went to Collectivo, where this creepy old man, like, I don't know, me and Deja were just like enjoying ourselves. She got an espresso shake and I got a mocha shake, and we both ended up only getting halfway, so we probably should have just shared. But before we left, I went to the restroom and I came back, and this man just came up to me. He's just like, now she's gonna giggle a little bit, but when I saw your stockings, I was wondering why they were a different, like, color from your skin tone, because it's a little off. And I was like, I thought I would look better with, like, orange and yellow. But, yeah. He's just like, but I'm into that kind of stuff. I'm a dirty old man. And me and Deja, like, looked at each other like, and yeah. That's pretty much my day now. I think they're getting Culvers with my old Taekwondo master, so yeah. I'm doing laundry, and then I'm gonna head home, or I'm gonna finish my taxes, head home, and I think that is it for today. So I cut this way, right, Mom? This way? This way?
Tatay kami ngayon sa pagdadayarin namin. My mom only gives us 7-Up.
Oh. Oh.
That's why I like it.
7-Up?
7-Up or Sprite.
I'm so scared. That's what you used to give us, and then Skyflakes on top of the fridge. Skyflakes!
I have to.
I feel like you lose more energy that way. You bitch, you!
Igorot dance.
You look like you're doing tinikling work.
No, this is a Igorot
Oh,
dance.
sorry. I was incorrect. I think you're on camera too, Mom!
Where?
Right there! Oh no, it's even worse. Made it worse.
Need a costume. Need the Igorot costume.
There, all done. And then you throw everything in.
No!
Garlic, onion,
Yeah, garlic, onion.
and the last
You make sure the onion is firm. You can caramelize it.
caramelize.
The onion.
Caramelize.
Then it's see-through. It's better that way. It's more flavorful.
That's true.
If you're in a
Hello. Hello.
alright,
Ready?
garlic.
Carrots. Snow peas. Look at me, I'm cooking tea.
What? Ay, naku!
eating sumo wrestling.
Dito one spot, di ba? Undefeated.
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 Unbeatable.
A little bit of
Sugar. Salt.
so. With the pancit, you can even put broccoli and then whatever vegetable you can eat.
She's gonna put water. Oh.
Ito dinner, a cup and a half.
Of water?
Oo. And that's it.
No, I don't think so. Almost gonna put more anyways. What do you think? Mama made it.
That's it. Okay, very good. I used to do it separate when I'm done with the vegetables. I'll take out the vegetables and let it boil.
This is done, or when this is boiling.
Yeah.
So you put this in,
Uh-huh.
and then it cooks and that's it.
Yeah. It's gonna absorb it. Mamaya yung wala. Wala na.
It's gonna absorb all of the soy sauce,
Yeah, all the water or the liquid.
and that's when you're done.
That's why you wanna eat it while still hot.
So I think I'm gonna make some for when Riley comes back. I'm gonna make it the night he comes back so it's not, or so it's fresh, I guess. I might do that next time then. Riley comes over, we have KFC or Popeyes, maybe get the big one, and then get the leftovers from that.
Yeah.
Before he gets to it. And then make
The breast part. It's the breast part. Pancit is ready!
Who's hungry?
Who's hungry? Oh, see, wala na. Tapos na.
Liquor and beer. Hola. I'm confused.
About what now?
What soda we got last time? I was here last time. Can I get On the rocks.
Just plugging two.
Your guys are funny. I didn't get it.
Kimchi cucumber, which I love. Fish cakes. For CJ, who's not here.
You like it? I'm drinking it, ain't I? Oh, who are you texting? I'm like, oh, it's super. She's like, oh, you're anime. Don't worry about it. Oh. Yeah. I am a chef. I made it to myself.
It's chewy on the outside and it's ice cream on the inside.
Interesting. I can't hold the ice cream now. I'm gonna get a cavity. Okay. Sorry.
You broke my cat. This is an awful, awful vlog. What time is it? 9:06. I'm trying to upload the La Terraza.
Hey, did you get your thing right when you texted me?
What thing?
Because I gave you like $80 that day.
Yeah, I understand why though, because it was from La Terraza.
Yeah.
Because I figured it out. I was like, wait, maybe she like paid for like some of the cosplay stuff then. Oh, do you have your first installment?
Oh, it's in my jacket in the kitchen and I'm not getting out to get it.
We're probably gonna forget about it too, be honest.
Can you like get it from my jacket?
In like a second.
Because I can't get up.
Okay, let me just like upload this first, okay? Give me a second. Ma'am. I have the two children with me. We went to Stone Bowl. And now Savannah's like dead. She brought over brownies to bake. And she's like, give me like 10 minutes to rest. And so did Jessie. And also Jessie looked like a gigantic like Korean weeb.
I didn't mean to.
And she's like, I want the Korean soda and then I want the mochi ice cream.
I wanted ice cream last time, but I forgot to add.
That's okay. There it
At least I
is.
wasn't up there trying to talk in Korean. Okay.
like correcting her, like, it's pronounced this way.
I don't know what I was doing.
There it is. All I have to do is upload it, I think. Oh, I have to put subtitles in.
Yes.
Because Jessie talks way too quietly. Let me see.
And I talk too loudly. That's sucks. Smokey, you're so cute!
Do you still have that?
What?
The best class, my
Remember
class is geometry. It's so late.
I'm actually